Question 2, show that. So show that means we are going to be given the answer. Show that 2 times a third, 2 and a third rather, times 3 and 3/4 equals to 8 and 3/4. So you can see here my answer is given. So this topic is mixed numbers. So this is mixed numbers. So what do I need to do to show this? So I need to change it to an improper fraction. Improper fraction. And then once I've got that, I need to do my calculations. And then I simplify at the end, which will hopefully go towards showing the answer. So what do we do here? 2. So we multiply the denominator with the whole number, and then we add the numerator. Those are my parts to make it an improper fraction. So let me do this. So I've got 2 times 3 gives me 6, and then I add my numerator. 6 plus 1 gives me 7. So now this becomes 7 over 3. I do the same thing for the other part. 3 times 4, so I'm multiplying these, and then I'll be adding the numerator. 3 times 4 gives me 12. 12 plus 3 gives me 15, so that becomes 15 over 4, and I'm multiplying. Now before I do my calculation, I can look to simplify anything here. So I can spot that 3 and 15 have a common number. I can divide by 3. Divide by 3. So 3 goes into 3 once, and 3 goes into 15 5 times. So now this becomes 7 times 5 over 1 times 4. And so what does that become now? So 7 times 5 is 35. 1 times 4 is just 4. Now, how many times does 4 go into 35? So I can use my fingers, look at my times table, or I can spot that it's going to be 8 times. 8 times 4 gives me 32, so 8 is a whole number. 8 times 4 gives me 32. And then I've got 35, take away the 32 gives me my remainder, which is 3. So 8 goes in as a whole, and my remainder is 3 over 4 as a remainder. And that matches my show answer over here. And so if I look at my question, show that this calculation equals to 8 and 3/4, and that's what I have.